Hi guys, today we will be discussing about a new tutorial on CSS and we will be discussing about universal selectors in CSS. So for that, right click on my desktop, go to new and a new text document. Give it a name CSS-06. So we'll be coding here. So the first heading is HTML, and as you know that inside head section we are going to explain about our CSS, and for CSS our tag is style. So today we'll be applying a universal selector in CSS. For universal selector I have to write a steric sign, and with this steric sign uh, every style you apply will be applied on the whole of your web page. So let's say I'm going to write text align equals to, not equals to, colon, center, and color, and font face times with a semicolon, and close this bracket, and also close the style tag. Now close the head as well. Now let's see what is the impact of this code into our web page. So I will write in H1 the name of my channel, Nelson Darwin Octec, and close this H1, and I want to write a paragraph. Every element on the page will be affected by this style, and with the paragraph close. Let's say I want to write another paragraph. It's saying me too, so this paragraph will also be affected. Now let's close the body tag first and the HTML tag at the later. Now save the file, go to file, go to save as, and give it a name css.06.html. Now let's see what is the impact of this code. Here is my file, and here is the output. So everything is in center and is blue in color, and also applied on the whole text. Now let's see if I change my code whether it will impact it or not. Let's say I want to change the color from blue to green. Save it and refresh this, so it's green. Now I want to align it on the left. Save it and run it. See, the output is being generated and it's applying on the whole text. So the steric sign indicates that whatever you Whatever you apply will be applied on the whole text in your document. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PocTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.